Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video from Face Paint Forum Shop. Today we'll be painting a holly. I'm your artist rep Lily. Let's get started. So here I've got a global fun stroke. It's different shades of green, and I've loaded them on my 5/8 angled wash. So here we're going to start off with the holly leaves, swooping one and again. And then we'll do the same thing, but we'll flip our angled brush. And we'll swoop up. And we'll do that again. Here's the second leaf. We'll flip it around and do it again. Swoop and swoop. Alright, and remember to leave that a little bit of center space for the holly berries. I wanted to show you how bright and bold those colors are. So beautiful. Alrighty, so here I've got my Superstar palette. This is my travel palette I made myself. And here I've got Superstar Cerise. It's my favorite red shade. So I'm using my Lowell Cornell round number 3 to create these berries. I've decided to go ahead and create 3 of them for this piece. Alrighty, now I've got DFX Black loaded on my Lowell Cornell round number 3. Now, typically I'd wait till the hollies are a little dry before outlining them, but on these practice boards it takes a little longer to dry. So we're going to tough it out and see if we can get the job done. Now this is a group of berries, so I decided to place one at the front, and the other 2 berries are going to be sort of part of them hiding behind the other one. There we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab my Diamond FX white, and I've loaded the same Lowell Cornell brush with white. And I'm going to outline the holly leaves with this. Now, I've decided on white because I feel like it's a little more crisp and bold. Also, I think it gives a little bit more of a wintry feel. So, you're welcome to use a black outline if you prefer that. Now remember that these are hollies, and from the information I've gathered, some people ask for mistletoe and they think that it's this. So from what I've learned is mistletoe is sort of like a white creamish color and with very different green leaves. So make sure that when someone asks for mistletoe, they might be asking for the holly. There we go. So we've got the 2 leaves outlined. I'll be adding a shine to the berries and some dots, and we're also going to do some line work and filigree here. Now remember that you can get all the supplies you've seen here at facepaintforumshop.com. Here we'll add some dots. Just little bits of snow flurry here going on. Alright, let's get that filigree going. So now the berries are the focal point. That's where we want to draw people's eye. So all the filigree and line work is going to be coming out from that focal point. Now we'll do some teardrops, and they're going to get smaller as we go down. And we're going to mirror that filigree. We're going to imagine that you flipped it over, and we're going to do it on the other side. Alright, we're going to add some dots here to give it a little more detail on this pretty simple design. We'll add some more dots up here near the teardrops on the top and the bottom, and that pretty much completes our design. So you're welcome to add glitter, or Face Paint Forum Shop has lots of variety of chunky glitter you can also use to dress it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great holiday season, and check us out for more.